Some hail, and we might get some hail, guys. This is 0.75 inches of hail, I believe. So we're gonna get a lot of hail here shortly. I don't know if it is gonna come after us. It's supposed to hit at 7:16 p.m. of my time, only my time. So almost forgot to record it. It's starting to drizzle a lot. I thought the storm wasn't here yet, but it's here. And we may get hit by another hail core, guys, so we gotta be prepared. Try to make this video 30 minutes long. And let's see if we can make it through the whole storm here. It's about to start raining hard, very hard on us. Let's hope we catch some hail on camera. The temperature is decreasing a lot. It's coming. That's all I know. And I think we have thunder and lightning now. Oh, here it comes, guys. Enjoy the video. Oh, a lightning flash. Yep, here we go, guys. Get ready. I just hope my phone don't get wrecked when I come back. Well, what is that squirrel doing? And you might want to get out of here, squirrel. It's going to hit hard over here. Better hit guy. There he goes. He's running. Another flash of lightning. I just saw it. But now, since the radar has updated, we're not going to get that much rain now. See right there, guys. I'm not going to hit that hard. No. I thought we were, but still going to hit kind of hard. And we might not get no hail from this. Here we go. on, guys. I'm just doing this. Let's hope we can make it through here. There's a blue sky back there. There's one behind. surprised. It's only took like 10 minutes. Only took 10 minutes or something for this to hit, and it's already going to calm down. I thought we were going to I thought we were going to get hit by the hail core, but it shifted, I think. Yeah, it shifted. And we could have had a lot of hail, but unfortunately, we don't get hail again. Earlier, I forgot to record the hail. It started hailing when I saw it bounce off the roof and stuff. I think this is the last storm that's gonna hit us here. So we see here, that's us right there. And we were this close, literally that close to getting hit by hail. And then it's right behind us, and we could have, man, if it shifted a little bit more, then we would have got some views on this video. But I decided to just record the video anyways, because I haven't posted on YouTube for a long time. So yeah, not much lightning in this storm either. The phone is soaking wet. Here's behind the storm. Well, this video is not 30 minutes long. So all we're gonna get now is just light rain, which is boring. So I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe, please, because this almost ruined my phone. Hopefully this is worth it, so please like and subscribe for more videos, because then if you subscribe, I might get motivated and post more videos more frequently now, like more quicker. And yep, that's it. See you next time, chasers.